How do geographers describe where things are? There are three types of projection shown on the book. The first one being the Mercator map projection, which is basically a cylindrical map projection presented by Gerardus Mercator in 1569. And cylindrical means having the form or properties of a cylinder. The second projection is the Good map projection, which is a projection used for world maps.
Key Issue 2 by Isaac Alvarado. Every place occupies a unique location or position on Earth's surface. Although each place on Earth is in some respects unique, in other respects it is similar to other places. The interplay between the uniqueness of each place and the similarities among places lie at the heart of geographic inquiry into why things are found the way they are. Three regions. Formal region, everyone shares in common one or more distinctive characteristic. In a functional region, it's an area organized around a focal point. Vernacular region is an area that people believe exists as part of their cultural identity.
Scale is the relationship between the portion of the Earth being studied and the Earth as a whole. Space refers to the physical gap or interval between two objects. Transnational corporations conduct research, operate factories, and sell products in a variety of different countries, and most transnational corporations tend to have a uniform landscape. Globalization also has to do with explaining how different places are similar. The definition of globalization is a force or process that involves the entire world and results in making something worldwide in scope. Therefore, the reason different places look similar isn't just a mere coincidence, but a marketing strategy companies use in order to make people feel familiar with every store they go to so they will keep coming back. Globalization also has to do with explaining how different places are similar. Uniform landscape is a strategy many companies use because they know most people would prefer to stick with things they are already familiar with rather than try something new. So most companies make all of their buildings look similar so people can feel more comfortable. Geographers also observe an increase in uniform cultural preferences, which means a certain religion produces a uniform landscape of cultural values. Scale is the relationship between the portion of the Earth being studied and the Earth as a whole. Space refers to the physical gap or interval between two objects.
Earth's physical system is classified as two things, biotic or abiotic. Three of Earth's four systems that are abiotic are the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. The atmosphere is the thin layer of gases surrounding the Earth. The hydrosphere is all the water on and near Earth. The lithosphere is Earth's crust and part of the upper mantle. Earth's last system is the biosphere, and the biosphere is all living things on Earth. Sustainability for humans rests on three pillars: environment, economy, and society. The environment pillar is based on two things: conservation and preservation. Conservation is the sustainable use and management of Earth's resources, and preservation is the maintenance of resources in their present condition, with the maintenance of resources in their present state. The economy pillar is the greater supply of the resources the lower the cost, and the lower supply of the resources, the higher the cost. The society pillar is the need of food, shelter, and clothing for humans.